bodying McDaniels.
In the regular season series, 3 of the 4 games were decided by 10 points or less. That's a Chimera. Minnesota hit 21 threes in game 1. It's James against Conley. Doncic and Edwards. Cutting Dorian Finney-Smith. They swing it around. Luka for 3. Timeout, Minnesota. And Luka Doncic, 5-time first-team All-NBA. This is a mid-range shot which he cams over McDaniels. Again has Gobert. They're hunting him. Doncic will dance, lean, fire, and hit.
Not right. And get that he wants. Doesn't like initially. Kind of give him a little fake. Bottom.
Doncic fakes the 3. McDaniels is right there. Driving hard. Oh, look